Hello my viewers, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial today we are going to be solving another episode of trigonometry class. So now in this question on my board, so we are asked to prove that sine into bracket x plus y close the bracket divided by sine x minus y close the bracket equals to tan x plus tan y over tan x minus tan y. So therefore we want to be considering one of these sides and make sure we solve one of the sides till we arrive at the second side. So therefore we are going to be considering either of these sides, that's in either of the two. So now here I'm going to be considering the left hand side. So therefore this left hand side, after solving this left hand side, so I must arrive at this. Are you getting it now? Because if actually the LHS, that is left hand side, is equals to what? Equals to right RHS. Are you getting it now? If actually LHS is equal to RHS, definitely, so when we solve this further, are you getting now? So we have to arrive at this what? At this right hand side. So now let's consider the what? Let's consider the left hand side. Now consider the left hand side, that is, we are going to be using here, we are going to be using addition formula. Addition formula, okay, in trig. Addition formula, are you getting that in trig? So the sine x plus y is equals to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So that is what addition formula for sine x plus y says. And also if you have sine x minus what? X minus y, so this one is going to be sine x, okay, cos y minus, this is going to change to minus because they have both here. We have what? The first one we have what? We have the first one here. You can see that we have plus because we have plus here. Definitely that's why we have plus here. So this is one is minus here. Definitely we are going to have what? We are going to have minus here. I guess now that is just the difference. That we have what? We have cos x sine what? Cos x sine what? Sine y. So that is what we are going to be doing. So we are going to be plugging in these two, okay, into what? Into this place. Are you getting it now? So now plugging this sine x plus y and sine x minus y into this what? That is the right hand side of them. We are going to be putting it here. Are you getting it now? That's what we want to be doing now. So we are going to have sine x cos y plus cos x sine y divided by sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. So now after this, we are going to be looking at what can we do to this, because we are still having sine x cos y and we want to arrive at something tan x plus tan y over tan x minus tan y. That is what we are going to. So therefore, what are you going to do? So what we are going to do now is that we need to think critically and logically, so that we are going to arrive at what we are asked to do. Okay, so now let's see. Let's say we are to divide through, okay, by cos x cos y. Okay, we divide through by cos x cos y in the both numerator and the denominator. So now let's consider the numerator, okay, and divide through by cos x cos y. Are you getting it now? So if you want to do that, you are going to have sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y divided by cos x cos y. Are you getting it now? So now from here, what do you think will happen? You can see that this will actually cancel this. This will actually cancel this. We are going to have what? Sin x, okay, over cos x, okay, plus sin y over cos y. Are you getting it now? Now, do not forget that from trig identity, sin x cos x is tan x plus sin y over cos y is tan y. Are you getting it now? So now let's label this numerator. Are you getting it now? So now we do the same thing to the denominator. So now to the denominator, okay, so we are going to be having sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin y, okay, then divided by cos x cos y over cos x cos y here also. Now what do you think will happen here? We can see that this cos y, we cancel this cos y, cos x, we cancel the cos x. We are going to have sin x divided by cos x minus sin y divided by cos y. Are you getting it now? So the same thing, you can see that this sin x cos x will give us what? Tan x, okay, from the trig identity. This sin y over cos y is going to give us also tan what? Tan y. Are you getting now? And this is our, no, this is our denominator. Now the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to plug in the numerator and the denominator back to their position. So therefore we have, this implies that numerator divided by denominator, and the numerator is same thing as what? The numerator we have the same thing as tan what? Tan x plus tan y from what we have derived. Also the denominator is tan x minus tan y. Now when you look at this very carefully, so you see that this is what we are asked to prove. So now from here, you can see that we have done justice to this. We can say this has been proved. Now let's check back to our question. You can see that the left hand side is, or the right hand side is tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. So therefore, that is going to be the end of today's lecture. If you find this class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notifications bell so you can get notified anytime I upload my new content. And also, share this content to your learning colleagues. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support always. I appreciate that. Bye.